Hello kids, welcome to my channel. First we are going to learn the colors. Chocolate color, blue color, green color, yellow color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, and pink color. Now let's learn the alphabet. A, B, C, D. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. We repeat again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. We repeat again. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N for nose. What we learn? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now O. O for orange. P. P for pineapple. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. We repeat again. O. O for orange. P. P for pineapple. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. And U for umbrella. Now V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. We repeat again. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra. What we learn? We learn O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.